Hi everyone, it's Stephen here from digitalmarketingclub.net. Are you guys and girls out there using LinkedIn by chance? It's great for B2B. Actually, it's purely about B2B. Now, do you want to create a great following for your company? Well, I'm hoping you're using company pages and showcase pages. But how do you get those targeted following to the showcase page or the company page? Very simply, you have multiple colleagues within the organization, or even one if that's possible, who've got Sales Navigator. And it's very simple. Ask them to connect with the people you want to target. Okay? And what you do, or what they do, is they will do a search. They save the search, because that's the great thing about Sales Navigator. And then every few days they go onto Sales Navigator and they click connect, connect, connect down that list. And then by giving them access to the company page in the admin, don't give them the full admin, maybe an editor, that's all they need, or the showcase page, exactly the same there. You get them to invite those people. Now, they can go down that invitation where it says invite connections, and they can invite up to 100, sometimes 250 people per month. If you've got a group of people in your office who is doing that, often the sales team have Sales Navigator, and maybe one or two people in marketing. What will happen is over a few months, you could have a few thousand targeted followers on your company page or showcase page. It's that easy. That's how I have built up my following with this digitalmarketingclub.net. Here's another little tip for you. Because you've got that targeted following, develop yourself a profile newsletter. Because what will happen is all those connections, when you first do your newsletter, will be sent an invite. And suddenly you can have a few thousand people on a newsletter you can send out every few weeks or daily. I highly recommend LinkedIn. I highly recommend building a targeted following for your company pages and showcase pages. And Sales Navigator can help you do that. It can do that locally, regionally, internationally, or internationally, simply by making the right connections. And LinkedIn Sales Navigator can do that because simply it knows what groups people are joining. And you can do searches on people's job roles, industries, what groups they follow, what's in their job description. You get the idea. Highly recommend using LinkedIn, and I highly recommend Sales Navigator for targeted connections. Thank you very much for watching today, and have a great day. Bye-bye.